Hello everyone. So today we will see the difference between 808085 and Atmega 328. So let's start. Now what is 808085? So basically it is a microcontroller same as the Arduino's microcontroller. Like Arduino is having Atmega 328. So 808085 is also a microcontroller but with a lesser pins and smaller memory and form factor. It is supplied with a USB port which is also known as DG Spark clone. So basically it is same as Arduino microcontroller but it has some lesser characteristics which we'll see further. Okay, next. So these are the images of some 8085. You can see the top view, side view and the inner views. Okay. Okay, now description of pins. So you can see we can start with the first is reset button, reset pin you can say. Then second is the pin 3, pin 4 which you can connect to the input for input 1. Fourth is ground. Then VCC it is power. Then pin 0, pin 1, pin 2. You can use it as an input output. You can connect with like temperature sensor, DC motor. Okay, you can connect with these pins. Then next is characteristics of 8085. So now first of all it has 18 KB of ISP flash memories, then 512 bytes of double EEPROM. So what is double EEPROM? I hope you know, but if you don't know, then double EEPROM is like electrically erasable programming read-only memory. It is the full form of double EEPROM. Then 256 of its RAM. It has 6 general purpose pins, so it has lesser pins than Arduino. Arduino has basically 14 digital pins and 6 NLO. And it has 32 general purpose working registers. Now what are working registers? So working registers are basically used for storage purpose, like it used to accept and store the data. So for that working registers are used. So in 8085 it has 32 general purpose working registers. Now Atmega 328. Okay, now basically it is also a microcontroller which is used in Arduino Uno. I think you have been familiar or not, but it is Uno's heart. Okay, microcontroller. It is used in an Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, and Arduino Pro Mini. Okay, so it is more favorable than 8085. Many used to prefer this. Then next, characteristics of Atmega 328. So as compared with that at 1885, Atmega 328 is better with the more pins. Like it has 8-bit microcontroller, 32 KB flash memory, 1 KB of double EEPROM and 2 KB of SRAM. So you can see it has more memory space than 1885. Now general purpose pins, you can see 23 pins and 32 general purpose working registers. Then descriptions of the pin. Okay, now you can see it has many pins as described below. Pin name 1, PB1, PB2. Then 6th pin is VCC, that is power pin. 8th pin is ground pin. All the pins are mentioned here, that PB0, 7, 6. Okay, pin with the pin numbers. Then applications of Atmega 328. It is used for many purposes. And first is embedded system projects, like you can use Arduino Uno for the smart home automations and smart irrigation system, then power monitoring and management system. Okay, then it can be also used in robotics. Yeah, then quadcopter is just like it's a small helicopter type or small aeroplanes which you can use for designing your project purpose. Then next, these are the difference. If we compare, then 8085 has no hardware, but as compared Atmega 328 has hardware, that is UART. Then next, it has less program space as compared to Atmega 328, and it has more program space that we have seen in the characteristics. And it has less GPIO. GPIO is general purpose input output pins, and Atmega 328 has more. So this was all about the differences between 8085 and Atmega 328. Hope you like it.